Hey Siri, how many weeks has it been since July 31st?
It was 25 weeks ago.
25 weeks ago, guys. Which means I hit 6 months locked last week. Hi everyone, my name is Amber. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, I'm so glad you came back. Your girl is officially 6 months locked, so let's get straight into this video. So first I wanted to talk about anything that I've been doing differently since I last talked to y'all about my hair. So 2 months ago was when I got my last retwist, and I was getting ready to go on a trip, which if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and click on it. I went on a trip and I was putting my hair in a lot of high tension hairstyles because, you know, I was trying to look cute. And after the trip, I was also putting my hair in a lot of high tension hairstyles, which really just means a bunch of ponytails. And my hair got old so fast. Like by about a month after my retwist, I was hating my hair. Like, not hating it, but you could just tell it was getting older a lot quicker than it was before. So I would just tell y'all to stay away from ponytails if you have baby locks, especially right after a retwist. Just let your hair do what it wants to do and minimize those types of styles. So I'm gonna try to keep that in mind after this retwist, even though it's really hard. It's really hard to avoid the ponytails because they're so cute. I feel like this type of ponytail isn't that bad because it's not low tension at all. I just have a scrunchie and I folded it over. I didn't even like you know how you put a ponytail on and you do that? I didn't do that. It's just on it as a straight up bun. So this is a go-to hairstyle for me, and that's probably what I'm gonna be rocking for a while unless my hair is down. Besides that, I've been doing the same things that I normally do with my hair. Oh, actually I lied. Besides that, I've started using black castor oil on my scalp at least twice a week, and especially on my edges. So I've been doing that. I still use my extra virgin olive oil, tie my hair up every night, and sleep with a bonnet. I don't spray lemon juice anymore, mostly because I'm lazy and I never can remember to. So in order for my hair to look like a little bit fresh, I usually take a shower and I just let like the steam get into it. And then when I get out the shower, I spray a little bit more water and I add some oil, and that usually just gives me life. So if you want to try that out, I'd highly recommend. And without further ado, let's get into my locks. So I'm gonna insert a picture of my first day lock compared to my 6 month locked, so y'all can see those differences. And then I'm gonna also insert a picture of my 4 month lock compared to my 6 month lock. I don't know if there's a lot of change between these 2 months, but I'm excited to see it. I don't really pay attention to my hair that much, so I don't notice the little changes, so we will see. Okay, here go my hair. Oh y'all, I also started using edge control, and that's what I said I wouldn't do because I didn't want it the gunk in my edges, but I'm not strong. I'm not strong enough. Yeah, so I've also started using edge control, so we're gonna see if that negatively affects my hair too. Hopefully not, but okay, let's get straight into it. Y'all see her, y'all see her. It's very old. It needs a retwist like now. Here she is. I'm gonna try to get up close for y'all because I always forget to do that, so I'm gonna make sure I get a good view today. Oh, that one ain't even okay. this is my hair. Very much crusty. I'm getting my hair retwisted very soon, and I will be doing a full vlog of that. I had a previous video that was just a time-lapse clip, so I'm gonna go ahead and film a full version because I don't know why I didn't film a full version in the first place, because yeah. So if you're interested in actually seeing how my hair is retwisted, go ahead and stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. And I say that because my hair isn't in comb coils, so it's a little bit different than a lot of other people that you might see. So if you want to check it out, make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it, honey. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you want to see any other videos from me, if you have any requests, if you have any questions about my hair, let me know in the comments below. I respond to every single one because I love y'all. Thank you so much for your help in getting me to 600 followers. I think I'm at 692 right now. Don't play with me and don't play with y'all, because y'all rocking with me, and I appreciate it so much. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.